tale of intangible capital. Let's review the definition of capital. Capital, wealth in any form, used to create more wealth. Let's look at how this definition might work for both tangible and intangible assets. First, let's look at the typical scenario involving tangible capital that happens thousands of times a day all over the world. Rick and Retire decides to put his capital to work without incurring much risk. He invests $10,000 in a 1-year CD, paying 5%. At the end of 12 months, his CD would have grown to $10,500. Rick and Retire is a classic example of a person putting his tangible capital to work. But take another look at the first part of the definition of capital: wealth in any form, to create more wealth. In the first chapter, we saw how Stephen King used his wealth in any form, which in his case was a wealth of writing talent, to earn hundreds of millions of dollars. True, few people are blessed with King's creative capital, but today the world is rife with other types of intangible capital that have only recently become available, thanks to the growth of capital markets and modern technology. Here are a few other types of intangible capital receiving recognition and endorsements from business analysts and marketing consultants. Types of intangible capital: human capital, the accumulated skills, knowledge, experience, capabilities, and wisdom of a company's owners and employees. Spiritual capital, a company or person who acts in accordance with integrity, vision, meaning, purpose, and positive values while seeking to earn a profit. Customer capital, the value of relationships with customers, suppliers, allies, and partners. Intellectual capital, content, patents, copyrights, trademarks, etc., owned by a company or individual. E-capital, ability to translate a concept into a profitable web-supported or web-based business.